Dear students, in fractions and decimals, let us proceed to the next topic, multiplication of decimal numbers. Means, for example, take 0.1 multiplied by 0.1. Now, we know that 0.1 is equal to, this 0.1 is equal to 1 upon 10 multiplied by, again 0.1 means 1 upon 10. We have just studied how to multiply the fraction. Numerator multiplies numerator, denominator multiplies denominator. So, this is equal to 1 multiplied by 1, answer is 1. 10 multiplied by 10, answer is 100. Means, if you write this with a decimal point, we will get 0.01. Please understand, 0.1 multiplied by 0.1 is equal to 0.01. This is similar to doing multiplication. See, in this way also we can do the multiplication. Multiply the numbers and then count how many digits are there after the decimal point and give the decimal point after that many digits. Means, I'll take another example. 0.2 multiplied by 0.3. So this is equal to 2 upon 10 multiplied by 3 upon 10. That is equal to 3 2s are 6 upon 100. It means this becomes 0.06. Next, let us do the multiplication of 1.2 multiplied by 2.5. Now, I will tell you easy trick to multiply this. Now, multiply 12 into 25 without decimal point. So, this is equal to, we know 25 into 12 is 12 5s are 60, 6 carries, 12 2s are 24 plus 6 is 30. Now, 25 into 12 is 300. So, this is equal to 300. Now count how many digits are there after decimal point. Here it is 1 and here it is 1. So give the decimal point after 2 places. Count from the right side. So 1, 1. In answer you have to give 1 plus 1, that is total 2 digits. So answer is 1.2 into 2.5. Answer is 3.00. Next, let us try this. 2.7 multiplied by 4. So 2.7, we have to multiply 27 into 4. 4 7s are 28, 2 carries, 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10. Now answer will be, this is equal to 108. Count how many digits are there after decimal point. Here it is 1 and here there is no. So you will get the decimal point after 1 digit. Answer is 10.08. Next is 1.8 into 1.2. So 1.8 into 1.2. Multiply as if decimal points are not there. We know 12 8s are 96, 9 carries, 12 1s are 12, 12 plus 9 is 21. Now answer is 216. Count how many digits are there. Here it is 1 digit, here it is 1 digit. So you have to give the decimal point after 2 places. So here we will get 1, 2 and the decimal point here. Next is 2.3 into 4.35. So 435 multiplied by 23, we have to multiply as if decimal point is not there. So you will get 3 5s are 15, 1 carries, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, 0, again 1 carries, 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13. Give 1 0, 2 5s are 10, give 1 0, 2 5s are 10, 1 carries, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 and 2 4s are 8. After doing addition you will get 10005. Now count how many digits are there after decimal point. Here it is 1, here there are 2. So total in answer you will get 3 decimal points. So you will get 10.005. See, next question is, the side of an equilateral triangle is 3.5 centimeter. We must know equilateral triangle means a triangle having all sides equal. So this is an equilateral triangle having all sides equal and one of the side is 3.5 centimeter. It means other side is also 3.5 centimeter. The third side is also 3.5 centimeter. A, B, C. If A, B, C is a triangle, then we will get 3 sides equal. Now perimeter means sum of all sides, or perimeter is equal to perimeter of equilateral triangle, perimeter of equilateral triangle, perimeter of equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle is equal to 3 multiplied by side. So this is equal to 3 multiplied by 3.5. We know how to do the multiplication. 35 into 3. 5 3s are 15. 1 carries. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 carry 10. Now count how many digits are there after decimal point. There is only one digit, so answer is 10.5 centimeters. See next question, example A. The length of a rectangle is 7.1 centimeter and its breadth is 2.5 centimeter. What is the area of rectangle? We are given a rectangle. Length of the rectangle is 7.1 centimeter. Length of opposite sides of rectangle are equal and breadth is 2.5 centimeter. So this is a rectangle. So we are asked to find what is the area of rectangle. We have the formula. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So this is equal to 7.1 multiplied by 2.5. Understand this? Breadth is 2.5 centimeter and breadth is 2.5, length is 7.1. Now we know how to do the multiplication. Multiply as if decimal point is not there. So this is 25 ones are 25, 2 carries, 25 sevens are 175. 175 plus 2 is 177. Now count how many digits are after decimal point. Here it is 1, here it is 1. So answer will be 17.75 square centimeters. Please note the unit. Last answer must be written in words. Thus, the area of rectangle is 17.75 square centimeters. Next is multiplication of a decimal number by 10, 100 or 1000 and 1000. When a decimal number, understand the rule, when a decimal number is multiplied by 10, 100 and 1000, the digits in the product are same. Please understand, if it is 1.76 multiplied by 10, 1.76 multiplied by 100, 1.76 multiplied by 1000, then the digits in the product will be same. Digits will be same, only what will happen, but the decimal point in the product is shifted to the right. Decimal point is shifted to the right side. This is my right hand, so decimal point will shift to the right hand side as many places as there are zeros over 1. What does that mean? Now here 1 0 is there, it means decimal point will shift one place to the right side. So this will be 17.6. Here 2 zeros are there, so decimal point will shift 2 places. 176 point, no number is there means 0 can be written. Now we have to shift 3 decimal places. Here there is no number. If the number is not there, we have to add 0 to it. So it will be 1760. Please understand, 3 decimal places we have to shift. Even if digits are not there, we have to add 0. Please understand this. You will see 17.6, 176.0 and 1760.0. The number you can understand from this, the decimal point is shifted to the right depending upon how many zeros are there in the after 1. How many zeros are after 1. Let us see the multiplication of this. Try this. We have to find 0.3 multiplied by 10. So we have to shift the decimal point one place to the right side. So this is equal to 3.0. Now 1.2 multiplied by 100. We have to shift 2 places, decimal point to the right side. So this becomes 120. Please understand, no digit was there. If no digit is there, we have to add 0. Now here it is 56.3. We have to shift, multiply by 1000, we have to shift 3 places. So this will be 56300. So answer is 56,300.